A bill meant to protect survivors of domestic violence is approved by the Illinois General Assembly, filling loopholes created by current law. WIFR News reporter Sydney Stoffragan talks to experts who say Karina's bill will not only save lives, but bring us one step closer to ending domestic violence once and for all.
In 2023, Karina Gonzalez and her daughter were shot and killed by her husband in their home weeks after she was granted an order of protection against him. Nearly 2 years later, a bill in her name is passed in the Illinois Senate and House, one day apart.
This law actually is going to make a great difference.
An 80-33 vote Tuesday in the Illinois House of Representatives means Karina's bill, which requires police to confiscate guns from alleged abusers facing an order of protection, will become law.
There'll always be some sense of concern or fear because we can't necessarily say that it'll eliminate all violence.
Experts say current state law leaves uncertainty regarding who is responsible for removing firearms. Leslie Brown of Voices of Stephenson County says this bill answers that.
I think it clarifies what is needed to help keep our victims safe or safer from potential gun violence.
Karina's bill stalled in the Senate in spring 2024 before it was passed Monday. Members of the Illinois House, including State Representative Dave Vella, see the issue as a no-brainer.
We take the guns away from the abusers, at least on a temporary basis. It's much harder for them to get the guns. It's much harder for them to put survivors in danger. So we're just trying to do what we can to keep them safe.
Brown explains that 1 in 5 victims were killed within 2 days of receiving an order of protection. She says these deaths are as predictable as they are preventable. We just need stronger safeguards.
If we don't have the follow-up of confiscating the things that put our victims more at risk, then the order of protection in and of itself does not suffice in keeping our survivors safe.
The legislation also would allow anyone seeking an order of protection to ask a judge to issue a search warrant, allowing law enforcement to seize guns from their alleged abuser, so long as they show probable cause.
Thank you, Sydney. The legislation must now be sent to Governor J.B. Pritzker to be signed into law.